This channel is making $1.7 million per month uploading YouTube shorts without filming any of the videos themselves or showing their faces. And I'm gonna reveal this channel and exactly how you can get started. And if we take a quick look here, YouTube shorts creators will be able to earn ad revenue starting early 2023. So just a month from now, you'll be able to earn money just by uploading YouTube shorts for videos of 10 to 15 seconds. And now I'm gonna show you step by step on how you can do it. And if you like to make money online, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I'll be posting 2 videos every week showing you guys different methods on how to do it. I will show you the exact process on how to find these special little niches that are highly profitable and almost has 0 competitors. And if you type here on top hashtag shorts on the search bar, you can see it's gonna take us to this shorts library that has 430 million videos. If you scroll down, you can see there are lots of options of little niches, so like this one that you don't have to show your face. And if you keep scrolling down, you see they have lots and lots of options. Like this one is only playing video games, playing a game here. So let's take a look around, and you just have to scroll down and you find those niches that you don't have to show your face. I have found a secret niche that I'm gonna show you right now that does not require to show your face. So if you come to the search bar here and you type hashtag shorts plus funny dogs, you will see that there's a lot of videos like this one here with 8.7 million views. Also this one here, 8 million views, and they all basically just funny dogs, funny videos of dogs doing funny things, and they all get a lots and lots and lots of views. Like this one, 400 million, 1.3 million views. This one here, 25k views. So just the first 10 videos here of this page are getting millions and millions of views. And this is a really easy niche to get in, and I'll show you exactly how you can get in and where you can get the videos in a second. And if you come here to Social Blade, this is one channel that is uploading just this type of videos on this channel. It's called Tide Rebuilds, and this channel is making 1.7 million every month just uploading videos of animals, of funny dogs, of those easy niches. This is a low CPM niche, but if you get thousands and thousands and thousands of views, you can make up for the low CPM. So this is the cost that you're gonna get paid for 1,000 views. And as you saw on the first 10 videos, it's totally possible to get millions and millions and millions of views just by uploading a 15-second shorts. And now I'm gonna show you how and where exactly you can get this type of videos like this one's here. So now what you have to do, you have to come to TikTok, and here on the search bar on top here, you're gonna write funny dogs, and right away you can see we have a lot of options here. You can scroll around and look for the most popular videos. Like this one here has 93 million views. This one has 33 million views. This is the type of video that you should want to get it. So you can click on any one of here. Let's see this page. So and once we click here on the video, you can see it's a pretty basic video, just a dog giving the leash back to the owner. And the second video is a dog running away after the leash has fallen down. So as I told you, it's only 17 seconds. So this type of videos are really quick. Now what we can do is take this video and modify it so we make it as our own. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna click this button, we wanna copy link, and now we're gonna take it to the special software. And what the software is gonna do is gonna take out this watermark here, because we do not want to upload this video on YouTube with a TikTok watermark. It's not gonna look good. And also it will be showing here the channel name of where you got this video. We needed to make it our own, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can customize it and how you can make it like a reaction type video, which is totally copyright free. So this is the website, Snaptic. Now what you want to do is you want to paste the link that you just copied, and then you want to click on the green button here, download. After you click on the green button, now you're just gonna press this blue button here, download again, and now your video is downloaded down here. After this, what you want to do, we're gonna head over to canva.com. This here is a free website where you have a free video editor where we're gonna customize our video in a second, and I will show you how. So if you come to here, you're gonna write mobile video and you're gonna search it, and then we're gonna head over to this page here. After you here, you just have to click on create a blank mobile video. So you just come and click it. After you're in this page here, all you have to do is come to uploads, and then you're gonna upload a file and you're gonna search for the video that you just downloaded. After you upload it, you just gotta take your video, just drag and drop here on the page. Let's test it. It's working everything fine. Now you just stretch it all the way so it fits here on the window. After this, we want to do a little modification here. So you come to elements and we're gonna click on this square here and we're gonna move the square up. So now you just have to modify it here, stretch it all the way. So you make it bigger here, so stretch it a little bit, and then you can change the color to white. After you're done this, you can just come here, copy and paste it again, and you drag it all the way down here. If you want, you can stretch it a little more. I think this is really good right now. And then what we're gonna do, we want to add some text. So you come here and click on text, and then you add a subheading. We can make it bold. Okay, so it's already bold. So now you can just write it here. Let's say how funny is this, and question mark, and you just come here and drag it to the top of the page. Now you can add another subheading here, just drag it down here, and then you can add rate 1 to 10, comment down below. So you can stretch this to make a little bigger and just drag it down a little bit. So yeah, this is looking good now. And now what this is gonna do is gonna make people watch your video, and down here when they read it, they are gonna wanna comment down below. And the good thing about commenting, while they comment on your video, the video will be looping on the background, and the YouTube algorithm is going to understand that this video is relevant and it's gonna push to more people to watch your videos. Now what you want to do is you want to come on share, and then you want to download this video. After that you downloaded your video, you want to head over to YouTube, and if you don't have a YouTube account, you can create one really quick. All you need is a Gmail, and then you're gonna be able to create a YouTube account. After you created your YouTube account, you're gonna upload the short here, and then you can choose a title. I chose this one, funny dog running away. You don't need to make a really complicated title, you just gotta make a simple and straight to point title. So in front of the title you can just add a hashtag shorts, so YouTube will understand this video is a shorts only video. And also we can take this and copy this and paste it on the description as well. After this, you gotta scroll all the way down, and what you want to do is optimize the SEO, the keywords. So here you can see they have the tag, and this is the important part. So here you want to add relevant tags. To search my tags, I use VidIQ. I'll leave the link on the description. And what you want to do, you want to put some relevant tags here. By doing this, it's gonna optimize for searching. So when someone types, let's say I'll put a tag here, funny dog. When someone types this on the search bar, your video is gonna pop up so they can see it. So put as many tags as you can. You have up to 500 tags that you can add here. So you can add a lot of tags, like let's say dog running away. And don't forget, you can use VidIQ. So if you go to VidIQ, you're gonna be able to find lots and lots of tags. After you have everything ready, you just have to click next, and boom, you just upload it. Of course, this is not the only way you can monetize your video. I have already made another video on this channel showing another method that you can use it so you monetize your first video straight from the beginning. So check out my last video and see how you can monetize it and make money starting with your first video already.